So fall's coming, the weather's getting colder, and well, you need to know what to do whether you live in a van full time, whether you live in a bus, an RV, or whether you're just a weekend person like me. What do you need to do to get prepared for winter? Well, I'm at Writing on Stone Provincial Park, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site as well, located in southern Alberta, Canada. And while I talk about this, I'm actually going to show you some video from around the area, well, so you don't have to keep looking at me all the time. Hey everybody, welcome back to, well, not in the van. I'm actually out here exploring Writing on Stone Provincial Park, which is located in southern Alberta, Canada. And we're just north of the U.S. border. In fact, where I'm standing here, I can actually see the U.S. It's, I don't know, 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers from where I am. And it's a cold morning. It's ridiculously cold. In fact, there was some heavy frost this morning. So I thought I would do a quick video and talk about what you can do to prepare for winter. Because if you're in North America, well, if you're in the Northern Hemisphere, anywhere, you know that the weather's changing. You know that it's getting cooler. And well, hey, it's starting to get to that time of year when we need to prepare for the cooler weather. So what should we do to prepare our van, our camper, our bus, whatever it is that we have for winter? Well, the first thing, if you drive any vehicle, check your tires now. Please check your tires. Make sure that you have real winter tires, or at least all-weather tires. Summer tires just doesn't do it. And even the all-season tires that they have out there, while they're better than summer tires, all-season tires are not a really true winter tire. All-weather tires are much better, but a true winter tire, if you're going to drive in the wintertime, is much better for you. So check your tires, make sure there's some tread left on them, make sure they're the appropriate tire. Plus, if you have a slow leak in your tire, get it fixed now. It'll leak a lot faster when it's really cold outside. Don't wait until you wake up some morning and have a flat. Next thing. I know we hate doing preventative maintenance, but get any preventative maintenance done that you need done. Oil changes. If you need oil changes, get an oil change done now before it's cold, especially if you do it yourself. But it just makes more sense to do it when the weather's nice than to try to take it in when it's 40 below and try to get it done. It's so much easier for the people working on your vehicle. The other thing, check your coolant level. Check your windshield washer fluid. Put in cold weather washer fluid. If you're driving your vehicle at all, make sure it is prepared. If you're having battery problems, now's the time to fix your battery before it gets stupid cold, before it won't start when it's cold. So those are some things to look for. Now, what about inside the RV? What about some things to check out in there? First of all, if you're a full-timer, some of this stuff's not going to apply to you. But if you're a part-timer, it's time to check out to see what you have to do to winterize it. You may not have to winterize it yet. It's just the middle of September here in southern Alberta. Well, it's middle of September everywhere, I guess. But you don't have to start to winterize it now. You can wait for a bit, but check to make sure you've got the stuff you need. The RV antifreeze. Check to make sure that, well, you have any of the cords or any of the piping or any of the connectors. If you're doing that, if you need to do it in your vehicle. Next thing, if you're a part-timer especially, but start getting rid of those cans of stuff in your vehicle, the things that can freeze and pop in the wintertime. Clean up, get organized, get the stuff out of there. I always put my stuff in a bin, so when it does get cold, it's easy to take it out. It's easy to know what has to go in the house. If you're a full-timer, if you're living in a vehicle, you don't know when your heat's going to go. You don't know when you're going to have problems. So I don't recommend stocking up on tons of canned goods. It just doesn't make sense to do that. So I always tell people, start whittling down. Grab a few of the freeze-dried meals and throw in your vehicle as backups if you want to. But I always recommend not keeping too many cans in your vehicle, just in case. All right, bedding is another big thing. If you've only got light sheets, now's the time to start looking for a comforter, for warmer clothes, for the stuff to just keep you warm when you're out and about. Make sure that you have stuff that's going to be warm enough for you. I got my hands in my pocket right now because it's ridiculously cold out here. I have gloves though in the van if I should need them. Throw in some gloves, get a warm hat, a warm coat, and get in your vehicle. Get the warm comforters, get that sort of stuff. Another thing, if you're the type of person that, like me, needs medication and you're out and about all summer and you've got your medication in your vehicle, don't leave it in there over the winter. Take it out, put it in the house, and don't leave the medication go bad. So get the medication out of your vehicle if that's you, and just don't leave it there all winter. By doing just some just basic stuff, you can prepare for the colder weather. I'm not saying put your vehicle away. I'm going to keep enjoying this because the sun's coming up. It's actually not too bad out here. If I go around this way, you may be able to see a bit better. Look at how nice and sunny it is. Look at how bright it is down here. So, hey, get ready for the colder weather, but continue to enjoy what we can. So until next time, get out there, enjoy the great outdoors, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye now.